Imagine that you've finally decided to embark on that long-awaited home improvement project. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. You're excited, but then a wave of anxiety washes over you. What if you hire the wrong contractor? What if they deliver poor workmanship or fail to meet their promises? These fears are all too common among homeowners, with nearly 70% expressing concern about the potential pitfalls of hiring a contractor. But fear not. Today, we'll explore 10 essential questions that can help you make an informed decision and find the right professional for your project. Let's dive into these critical questions that can guide your hiring process. Number 1. Do you have a contractor's license valid for this area? It's vital to ensure that the contractor you choose is legally permitted to operate in your region. A valid license shows they have passed necessary exams and understand local building codes. Ask to see the license and verify its status with your local licensing authority. Number 2. Do you have workers' compensation and liability insurance? This is crucial for protecting yourself from financial responsibility in case of accidents or damages during the project. Request proof of insurance and check it with the insurance company. If a contractor hesitates, that could be a red flag. Number 3. How long have you been in this business? Experience matters, as seasoned contractors are likely to handle unexpected challenges more effectively. Look for contractors with a solid track record and diverse project experience. Number 4. Can you provide a list of past client referrals? A reputable contractor should readily share testimonials from satisfied clients. Contact these referrals to gain insights about their experiences, focusing on aspects like communication and quality of work. Number 5. Can you provide a detailed written estimate? A transparent estimate breaks down costs, helping you understand where your money will go. Insist on an itemized quote that outlines labor, materials, and other expenses to prevent any surprises later. Number 6. What is your working day like? Knowing the contractor's daily schedule gives you insight into their time management. Ask about start and end times, the number of workers on site, and how they handle disruptions. Number 7. Will there be subcontractors on this project? Inquiring about subcontractors is important, as their work impacts the overall quality. A good contractor will have trusted subcontractors who are properly insured and experienced. Number 8. What kind of warranty do you offer? Warranties provide assurance that if something goes wrong after the project, you'll have recourse without incurring additional costs. Review warranty specifics in writing before making your hiring decision. Number 9. How do you resolve disagreements? Conflicts can arise during renovations, so it's crucial to know how a contractor addresses these situations. A reliable contractor will have clear processes for conflict resolution. Number 10. Will I have a dedicated team working on my job? Consistency is key for quality and efficiency. Ask if there will be a dedicated crew assigned to your project throughout its duration. Now that we've covered these essential questions, let's discuss why it's critical to vet your contractor thoroughly. Complaints about contractors are among the top consumer grievances, with nearly 70% of homeowners facing issues like poor workmanship or unexpected costs. Taking the time to research and ask the right questions can significantly reduce these risks. A study by HomeAdvisor reveals that homeowners can lose an average of $1,500 to $3,000 when hiring a contractor without proper background checks. Investing time in the vetting process can save you both time and money in the long run. Asking the right questions prevents costly mistakes by providing valuable insights into a contractor's qualifications. Research indicates that homeowners who thoroughly vet contractors save an average of 20% on renovation costs. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings that lead to extra expenses, as many homeowners report incurring additional costs due to poor communication. When evaluating contractor responses, consider clarity of communication. A contractor who articulately explains their plans and answers your questions demonstrates knowledge and willingness to keep you informed. Responsiveness also reflects commitment. Prompt replies indicate they prioritize customer service. Consistency in information is another crucial factor. If a contractor's answers vary or conflict over time, it may signal disorganization or dishonesty. Look for detailed estimates. Comprehensive breakdowns show professionalism and thoroughness. Understanding local codes and regulations is essential. A competent contractor should demonstrate this knowledge to avoid potential fines or rework. Finally, consider post-project support. A reliable contractor should provide warranties and be available for follow-up questions or repairs. Finding the right contractor doesn't have to be daunting. Platforms like Big Home Projects simplify this process by connecting homeowners with qualified professionals who have been vetted for licenses, insurance, and customer reviews. By providing detailed profiles with ratings and testimonials, our platform empowers you to make informed decisions while saving time and reducing stress during the hiring process. So now, consider this. What if you could transform your home without the fear of making a costly mistake? The journey begins with asking the right questions and choosing wisely. As you embark on your home improvement adventure, remember that a successful outcome lies just around the corner. Stay tuned for more tips on navigating home projects. There's always more to learn. And if you're ready to find the perfect contractor for your next big project, visit Big Home Projects today, where we can help turn your vision into reality with ease and confidence.